Mog.
Good night, Meg.
Good night, Owl.
Good night, Meg.
Oh,
My goodness. Oh,
Sorry, I couldn't help it. Oh, sorry. That was definitely my last sneeze. Oh, no, that was it. No, that was it. Apart from that one.
oh dear. We're never going to get to sleep with you sneezing like that. I think he must have a cold.
we better be careful, or we might catch it too. I'm sorry, Mog. It's just I don't want to catch your...
Too late. I think we need to get you both to the vet.
Next. Open wide. Now see. Yes. He's definitely got a cold.
And Owl?
The same. The best thing is to wrap up, keep warm, and wait until it passes. It shouldn't be long before it goes.
Oh, dear.
I'm sorry, but everyone seems to have caught this cold. You see?
Morning, Bess.
Morning, Meg.
Morning, Jess.
Morning, Meg.
Oh, morning, Tess and Cress. Oh, dear. I think I must be the only one in the world who hasn't caught this. Cold? Oh, maybe it's time for a spell. Three small mice and a smell of roses. Stop this sneezing in our noses!
Oh dear. The sneezing is gone, but what's wrong with our voices? I don't know. We've got all squeaky like little mice. Oh dear. Spells are so tricky. How long before we get our normal voices back, Meg? Oh, not long. The spell will wear off in a couple of days. Well, I don't mind. It's better than sneezing. A cup of tea, Al? Al? Go on, Al. Say something.
Thank you very much.
Al's got a funny voice too.
Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.